Right, so let's talk about Virgin Media just for a minute. It's a short video. Virgin Media, their internet is supposed to be the fastest the world's ever seen. You're meant to get unrestricted speeds of up to like 500 megabyte per second and all this sort of business. I've been with Virgin Media about 10 years. It's got to be that 5 to 10 years. It's been a long time. I know that much. The internet speeds, when plugged in, I'm on 100 megabyte, whatever it's called, speed. When plugged in, when I check on the computer, if I do a speed test, it's pretty much always there. I was on a 200, but I didn't need it, so I cut it down to 100. It's always pretty much there. But Wi-Fi, if I go upstairs, I've got a three-story house. If I go upstairs, it does cut out a bit. If I go downstairs, the Wi-Fi might be a bit intermittent. If all the kids and the wife and even the dog is on the internet, you will lose some speed and connection, and it does play up a bit. We've got the TiVo box downstairs in the living room. Upstairs in the bedroom, we've got their V6 box, the newest of the new V6 thing, that is upstairs. If I try to use Netflix on that or Amazon Prime to watch videos and stuff, it may cut out. It sometimes cuts out when it says there's no internet connection to my telly that's literally there. My telly in my bedroom is there. The internet box is there. So we are talking, what's that, 20 foot? Something like, I don't know, 20 something foot. That's not far. There's one ceiling in the way and it still sometimes cuts out. It really is not that far. Virgin contacted a lot of their customers and said, look, we've got this, what's this called? Virgin Media Hub Powerline. It was free. They said that's a good thing from Virgin. They do get a lot of stick. A lot of it is deserved, but they can be okay sometimes. They can be okay. They said we're giving these away for nothing to a lot of our members, maybe all of them. So this turned up. It turned up a couple of weeks ago. It's still in the sealed box. I've just been a bit lazy, but I thought I'd open it now. This turned up. It's there. So you can connect basically your TiVo box, which is down there, to your V6 box. So you can pause the recording here, go upstairs and carry on watching. A similar sort of thing that Sky does, but without all this box. But Virgin thought we need to do something like that. So they brought out this box thing and you connect them up. It connects, you plug your TiVo box that's there, well my TiVo box that's there, into the router, your internet router, and then it connects into the plug socket. So you want plug socket plugged into your TiVo box that's going to be all plugged into the router. No, it has to be on the same power line. So if you've got to check the power lines in your house, you need to know. You can't have one downstairs if it's on a different system, because it's going to miss it. This one hopefully is on the same system that goes upstairs to my room. So if it's on the same system, you're in business. You go upstairs, you plug the other one of these, because you get two in here. You plug the other one in to a plug socket up there, and hopefully they link up, and then you can pull something here and pull something upstairs. I am going to test it out, and I'm also going to open this box and see if it's any good. It's made by Netgear. Netgear stuff normally ain't too bad. A quick start, that's always handy. And it's always quite nice to know that someone like Netgear's made it. If Virgin made this in-house, you're thinking, that ain't going to work. You get two of them. The packet contains two. Like I said, one needs to connect to that, one needs to connect upstairs. You get whatever that is. So you get the plug that plugs into your mains, and you get like a Netgear logo there, and their Virgin Media logo there. And I guess these are just telling me if it's on and it's connecting all this. See the other side of it, and on this side, that's where you need to connect. Yeah, ethanol, and it's ethanol. You do get a couple of these in the box, so they do give you these. Two of them. And there's only one more thing in the box. It's another one of them. So that connects downstairs. You connect that into your Virgin Media box downstairs, and into your router. Well, what you do, you got your TiVo box. You connect that into your router, and then you connect this into your router. So it all runs through it, and then this just goes upstairs, plugs into it, and then plugs into your V6 box. And on the bottom it just says there's a factory reset. And that button there, I really don't know. The little picture don't give much away, so let's just see what that little picture is there. That's just a security button, so I guess you need that just to set it up. That's just a security thing. I'm going to go and plug this in. One thing I will like to say is, I'm not 100% sure if these are brand new, because look at the finish of this one. It's got these marks down here. It don't just rub off. It's got these marks down here. It's got all this smudging. It's got a horrible, really horrible finish to it. And this one ain't as bad, but it has still got, if you look in the light, there is some marks and stuff. I thought there was like a plastic sticker or something over these, so yeah, I'm not too sure of the finishing factory control there, Virgin. It's really hard to see it, but there is some bit of a dodgy finish that I would like to point out. You can see it more on the top of this one. See that? It's got a horrible finish. It's the worst finish on a plastic product that I've ever seen in my life. I'm not too sure. It's definitely got, you can hear the scratch. It's got definitely got 2 scratches down this, and all I've done is taken it out of the box. So quality control, Virgin, straight away. And the finish of the plastic, do something about that. That's Netgear's fault, or Virgin Oil. It's just as cheap as anything can be made. Now I am getting an amber light. Amber light's okay, it's just a bit slower. If you get the green light, you're getting the full speed. I've just got it quickly thinged in just to try it, and then when you get up the old TV, this is the oldest sort of style TiVo box, and if you go to My Shows and Recordings and then click My Shows again, up there it will come up other TiVo boxes. So this is the box that's upstairs, it's now linked to it. You can just go on that and you can just play the recordings you can that you've got upstairs, and we've got a few things there we've recorded. None of them are mine, especially these sort of stuff. None of that on there is mine. I record nothing. That's just a quick disclaimer. And it's the same upstairs. I've tested it upstairs. Upstairs you can link it and see what's on the box down there. It's not bad. It's a little bit awkward to set up because the wires probably are not long enough, but it does work. It does work. You can see it working. It's linked to the box upstairs, and it's the same upstairs, so it does work. Not bad. Not bad for a freebie. If they send you it, it might be worth setting it up. And that's that. Virgin Powerline by Netgear.